Today, I am reviewing the BenQ WXGA Business Projector. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The BenQ WXGA Business Projector MW560C is a projector that focuses on what truly matters in professional environments: brightness, clarity, reliability, and ease of use. Whether you're setting up a conference room, classroom, training center, or small auditorium, this projector is designed to deliver consistent, sharp visuals without complicated setup or maintenance headaches. Right away, one of the biggest strengths of the BenQ MW560C is its 4000 ANSI lumens of brightness. This level of brightness ensures your presentations remain clear and readable even in well-lit rooms, where many projectors struggle. You don't need to dim the lights completely to see charts, text, or visuals clearly. For business meetings and classrooms where ambient lighting is unavoidable, this is a huge advantage. The image quality is further enhanced by a 20:0:0:0:1 contrast ratio, which gives presentations more depth and definition. Whites appear bright and clean, while blacks remain deeper and more controlled, making text easier to read and visuals more engaging. Slides with detailed graphs, spreadsheets, and small fonts look crisp instead of washed out, which is essential for professional presentations. BenQ's DLP projection technology also plays a major role here. DLP projectors are known for their sharpness, color stability, and long-term reliability. Unlike some display technologies, DLP avoids color degradation over time, meaning the MW560C will continue to look good even after years of regular use. This makes it especially appealing for businesses and schools that want dependable equipment with a long service life. One standout feature specifically designed for professional use is BenQ's exclusive data review mode. This mode is optimized to display letters, numbers, charts, and tables with exceptional clarity. If your presentations involve spreadsheets, financial reports, technical data, or detailed documents, this feature ensures every character remains readable, even from the back of the room. It's a small but extremely valuable addition for business and educational users. Setup is another area where the BenQ MW560C shines. It's designed to be simple, fast, and frustration-free. The projector includes an auto vertical keystone correction, which automatically adjusts the image to keep it perfectly aligned, even if the projector isn't placed at an ideal angle. This saves time during setup and eliminates the need for constant manual adjustments. There's also an ergonomic retractable adjustment foot, allowing you to quickly fine-tune the projector's height and angle. Whether you're placing it on a table, podium, or mobile cart, you can get a properly aligned image in minutes. This makes the MW560C especially useful for meeting rooms that frequently change layouts or for educators who move equipment between classrooms. Connectivity is straightforward and reliable. The projector includes HDMI for fast digital transmission, ensuring crisp image quality when connected to modern laptops, desktops, or media players. It also features VGA input, which is still commonly used in many offices and schools. This dual input flexibility makes the MW560C compatible with both newer and older systems, reducing the need for adapters or upgrades. Another major benefit is BenQ's SmartEco technology, which focuses on energy efficiency and lamp longevity. In SmartEco mode, the projector intelligently adjusts lamp power based on content brightness, reducing energy consumption by up to 70%. This significantly extends lamp life and lowers operating costs, which is crucial for organizations running projectors daily. From an environmental and budget standpoint, this feature alone makes a big difference over time. Fewer lamp replacements mean less downtime, lower maintenance costs, and better long-term value. It's a smart solution for schools, offices, and businesses looking to maximize ROI. In real-world use, the BenQ MW560C performs exactly as intended. Text is sharp, colors are balanced, motion is smooth, and brightness remains consistent throughout long presentations. Whether it's a corporate slide deck, classroom lecture, training video, or data-heavy report, the projector delivers dependable results every time. In summary, the BenQ WXGA Business Projector MW560C is an excellent choice for users who need a bright, reliable, and easy-to-use projector for professional environments. With 4000 lumens brightness, high contrast, DLP durability, data review mode, simple setup, and energy-saving SmartEco technology, it offers a strong balance of performance and value. If you're looking for a projector that prioritizes clarity, efficiency, and hassle-free operation for business or education, the BenQ MW560C is a solid and trustworthy investment.